Oh, I'm about to flame this little shit.
Boy, yo teeth crusty, yo hair whack. Out here with them stubby ass legs looking, with yo white ass eyes, no nose having bitch. And well, he just kind of beat my ass.
They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie. I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit. Oh, take, pray them niggas go.
How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Shiny Sides, and I'm here with Castle Crashers again. We're going to go on to the second level. I'm going to go ahead and just get started and get right into it. So, I don't know. No fucking way. I remember the little Yoshi, the little off-brand Yoshi fuck right here. Dude, no fucking way. Come on. Oh, get the fuck off. Give me. Okay, hold on. I got it. Don't worry. I'm getting my ass kicked. It fucking bites? Dude, this. Oh my. This big son of a bitch right here is kind of being a problem. Oh shit, wrong way. Thank God. No. Get off. He's mine now. Oh, we are in business, ladies and gentlemen. We are in fucking business. Alright. I'm sick of fighting these like barbarian fucks. I don't want to fight them anymore. Okay. Nope, y'all aren't getting by. I refuse. I refuse. Not happening. Alright. Boy. Can you fucking die already? Jesus, Superman looking fuck. What's back here? Oh! I got an animal. What does he do? Does he do anything? What does he do? Does he fucking just fly around me? Or like, what does he do? Does he do anything? Or am I just got a fucking bird flying around me the whole time? I would assume he does nothing because he hasn't done shit, so I guess that was a waste of my time. I found a bird. That's pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. Hey, yo, Keisha, get your ass over here. Where'd my fucking dinosaur go? Okay. What the fuck? A shield can block that? Oh, come on now. What is... That is so inappropriate. That is so inappropriate. Oh my. I've literally just watched an owl shit himself to death. Oh my. Eat a dick. Okay, hold on. What's in here? Sir. What does this do? Oh, this one's better. The one I have right now is better. Alright, you fucks. Dude, oh, I'm dealing with this arrow bullshit again. I fucking hate these arrows, man. Arrows are fucking this OP as fucking this game. Alright, let's go. What the fuck? Ew, dude, what is wrong? What's the shit, like, theme going on here? What's this guy do? I don't want that, so. Okay, these guys are fucking, dude. I'm getting my ass just spanked. It's terrible. Oh my god. What is it, dude? Okay, first of all, if y'all, I might put a little soundtrack over the music because this is fucking like some fairy land shit. I don't know. Oh my gosh, dude, these arrow things gotta go. Oh no. Alright. They're not that strong. Get fucked. Oh, there's a little animal. I don't know how to get him out though. Do I? Well, fuck. All right, not my. I don't care about that. Oh. It's a bear. And he's shitting himself. Quite the shocker right there. I don't know what the theme is on this level. Boy. Get yo. What are they running from? Well, of course I gotta go towards the direction that they're fucking running, so... Sweet. Oh, I'm about to flame this little shit.
Boy, your teeth crusty, your hair whack. Out here with them stubby ass legs looking, with your white ass eyes, no nose having, bitch.
Alright, time to kill him. Alright, I'm just gonna shock his ass to death. Dude, no, he's got so many. I'm gonna die. I fucking died, dude. I cannot believe I just fucking died. That did not just fucking happen. No. What do I. Sure. Is it making me restart? Alright, you know what? I'll just fast forward back to the fucking. I'm gonna run through all this and then I'll get back to that boss fight because this is fucking ignorant.
Here's the owl pooping. Deer pooping. Here's the bear shitting himself.
Alright, I'm back, and the funny thing is, I found out what this animal does. It brings me fruit, but that wasn't the funny thing. I don't know why I said that, but I remember this being a lot harder than I thought. Can I not just electrocute his fucking punk ass, or can I... Dude, these little fucks, man. Alright. Dude, can I just fucking kill you already? Like, fuck! Quit running from me, you punk ass. Oh my gosh. Just die, dude. Just fucking die already. Seriously. There we go. Oh, dude, this sounds like there's something big as fuck coming. Can I run? Dude, I don't want to fucking see it. Go! Go, bunny! Get on the bunny. Get on the bunny. Get on the fucking bunny! Was that deer shitting himself? Of course he was. Okay. Holy fuck. That's a... Okay. Get on... Okay, here we go. Dude, what? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm sure you guys can see it. Actually, I am gonna say it. This deer is shitting his pants. Dude, I kind of remember this level. I do remember it got kind of hard later. Like, as you go down the fucking mill. Dude, that guy's huge. That's what I used to struggle with, because I couldn't see the light in the doorways, and I'd always hit the fucking doorways. Dude, this game... I love this game. It was so much fun. I'm having a good time. Get through... Oh, fuck. We're gonna try to go for a flawless deer run here. I need to turn notifications off so it doesn't block the screen. Alright. We're doing pretty good so far. My eyes are hurting so bad watching this. I don't know what the hell is happening. Go. Are we near the end? No, we're not. We gotta be close. We've been on here for a little bit, maybe 30 seconds, right? Alright, I've noticed my bird hasn't flapped his wings fucking once. Is he magical? Is he magical or something? Like, can he fucking just hover? Dude, this deer must have ate something very bad because he is shitting his brains out. Oh god, that is a big fuck. Alright. I want to say, alright. I think that was the end of the second level. So I'm not going to jump into a third level right now. Yeah, if you guys liked any animal that I showed shitting his pants, or not his pants, but shitting himself, leave a like. And if you're new, subscribe. And hopefully the next episode won't have so much shit in it. But I can't make any promises because I haven't played this game in a while, and I totally forgot that there was animals letting loose in this game. So yeah, sorry about that. Hope you guys do enjoy. I will see y'all tomorrow.